Okay, so in our last video, we finished up on our financial management suite. Okay, next we're going to have a look at the court prep. I'm going to break the court prep section down into a number of videos because there's quite a lot in it, and I want to try to keep the video short as possible. So let's have a look at one or two here. Let's get up as far as witnesses maybe, and then we'll break down the rest. Okay, so up here we can obviously see what case we're working on. Let's change to that one. And you can see that actually populated the information based on the case that we've already submitted. We have our quick actions over here. We have a basic prep timeline. Okay, so this is just to give you an idea of what needs to be done, when you should begin to get it done. You can see our progress here is 0. That's based on our checklist. Okay, so we have various different checklists here. Again, this isn't you have to do this, but this is just some basic recommendations to help keep it all in line for you. Okay, so over here we have our prep checklist. Okay, so our first section, evidence preparation, review and organize all the evidence. Okay, once we have that done, we can click that. Review our communications logs. We've got that done because all of this we've done over time, and now we're a couple of days before the court, so we're going to actually finalize that now. Again, you go through various different things here. It will tell you the tips, what you need to do, how long it's going to take, when you should do it, etc. Okay, and as you begin to click down through that, let's collapse them. We can see it marks our progress bar. Okay, and if we go back to our overview, we can see it actually keeps that there. Okay, and it begins to tick off what we've got done, what we need to do, etc. Okay, so that is our checklist. Here is our documents. Again, similar to our evidence, these are more court-related documents. Okay, such as the application, affidavits, whatever it may be. And we'll have a look at witnesses, and then we'll finish up this video to keep it short. Okay, so this is our witness prep. Okay, I've added some informational elements, why witnesses matter, what type of witnesses there are, how witnesses help, how to prep your checklist, and risks. For example, okay, we have our checklist here. Okay, this is the witness, the relation to the child. Okay, the contact details, can testify about the child's performance in school. Sorry. Here we have our checklist. Okay, is the contact verified? Did we check this is the right contact? Okay, have they got a statement? Have we agreed on key points? Are they aware of the court date? Can they get there? You know, is there any other elements, such as are they sensitive witnesses, and maybe are they a potential credibility risk? What we mean by that is maybe someone says, oh, that's their best friend, of course they're going to say that. It doesn't mean that they're not still a good witness, but it's just something to be aware of. Okay, and obviously if we want to add witnesses, we can do that here. Okay, in the interest of keeping the video short, I'm going to break them down. In our next video, we're going to take a look at case strategy. So this is the first part of our court prep suite in Just In Case Pro.